Guys, sa Leicester Square. Leicester Square in London. Ito guys, ang M&M's ng London. Pasukin natin. Ang haba ng queue.
Yeah.
Ang haba ng queue. Papapasok ka lang sa M&M's. Ang queue na. Abay!
Now I'm going to do UK Garage Classics, then the Grand Finale.
Ang haba ng queue.
Everyone say whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop.
That's the sound of the police.
Ito guys, so, papasok tayo sa M&M's. Pipila. Casino. M&M's.
It really was the sound of the police. Well, when they ambushed me, they jumped up behind me.
Hello guys, nandito tayo sa M&M shops. Ayan guys, so ang daming M&M's. Oh. M&M's in London. Hello guys, mga souvenir ng M&M's. Ayan oh, ang dami. Ang laki-laki ng M&M's sa London. Busy yung mga bata. Ayan. Tingin tayo dito sa baba. Third floor. Grabe. Tayo, take picture. Please be there. Naghahanap-hanap na si Bossing. Hold that one. I'm walking. I'm walking.
Hey, but then we're in. What am I supposed to do?
Take picture in here. Here.
I can't take any pictures, I've got no hands left.
Lagay nyo dito. Pag bibili kayo, lagay dyan. Space lang. Which one the nice color? Which one? I like the mostly. I like this color. Everything is in there. I don't know, milk, peanuts, everything is in there. This is the one I want. Colorful. Just leave that one, then mix that one. Everything is in there. Peanuts. Leave that one and mix one. You can get another one.
No.
Just peanuts. Picture, picture. Ayan guys, so I love London. Pinakamalaking M&M's in London. Ayan guys, magbabayad siya. Bumili si Sweetheart ng M&M's. Actually, hindi naman kami mahilig sa M&M's. Yung peanuts lang talaga. Masarap, pero dati, lakas kumain yan. Ngayon, ako, diet muna tayo. Ang daming tao. Ang daming mabibili sa M&M's. M&M's. Gusto niyo Plato? 4 pounds lang to. 4 pounds. Ay, gusto ko to. Plastic plate. 4 pounds lang yan. Oh, bowl. 4 pounds. Ay, $7.99. 13. Katuwa ba guys kasi pag gusto nyong bumili ng ano, yan. $2.99 per kilo. Nagbayad siya. Hey, manis!
Come on then, let's go.
Second floor. Hey.
It wasn't bad. I got £3 for the chocolate.
£3 for chocolate.
Yeah,
It's not bad.
£2.70 something. So I must have got just under the 100 grams. I did well.
Oh yeah. Well, I like that one there. Battle. What's that in there then? Let me go there. Ang daming mabibili. Ang laki pala ng M&M's dito. It's bigger M&M's than New York, isn't it? Oh, I like that t-shirt. M&M's. I like that color. I like this color. How much is this? 33 pounds. I like it. 33 pounds. Sus, ang laki. Maikot ba natin ito lahat? Oh, i-design.
You can get your face on an M&M.
Oh, you can do that one. You need to pay?
Yeah, of course you need to pay.
Oh. What
This
do
is going to be free.
How much is it? Design your, customize your M&M's with icon, photos, or text. Start here. What are you gonna do? How much is that? Ah, the one, what's that? 19 pounds? I'm afraid of what may happen if I relax. Okay. Right. Okay.
Go on then, stand on.
Grabe. Ang laki ng M&M's guys, oh. O sa upstairs. Wala mo. Hey, take me please.
Crying out loud. Let's stay there.